Okay, so welcome to Santa Pod, down near Milton Keynes. Today I've brought my Aprilia 660 Tuono, which is a standard version, and my dad's Aprilia 660 Tuono factory version. Standard Tuono, however, I have added a quick shifter to it, but other than that it is standard as it comes out the box. The standard Tuono is a couple of kilograms heavier than the factory. The factory comes with a bit more power, around about 5 brake horsepower. 99 horsepower on this one, and around about 94 power, which is quoted on this one. In terms of electrics, this does come with traction control, anti-wheelie control, but it doesn't come with the IMU, which the factory version does. Uprated suspension on the factory version, standard suspension on the standard bike, comes with a lot more adjustability for the track and the road. So on paper, this should win, but my dad's riding it, so this will probably win.
Okay, so, of course, given the similarity between the two bikes in terms of performance figures, the biggest variable was always going to be the rider. How quickly the rider can react to those very confusing lights, and how cleanly the rider can get the bike off the line. The plan was to swap bikes during the day, but unfortunately, due to absolute monsoon weather conditions the previous day, there was a 3-hour delay at the start of proceedings. I was totally ignorant to how much preparation work has to go into the Santa Pod Raceway surface following those poor weather conditions. Anyway, this meant only 6 runs throughout the day, and more showers in the afternoon cut the day short. Here's my first run. Enjoy. First run down, and this was a modest 109 miles per hour at a quarter of a mile distance. This took 12.67 seconds, and another run came shortly afterwards. On this occasion, again, it was 109 miles per hour, but with a faster reaction time, and I was able to knock off 0.2 of a second from my original run. Official figures do suggest that the standard Tuono is capable of completing a quarter mile distance between 11.8 seconds and 13.5 seconds. Not bad for a novice.
Time to go home. It looks quick. Turbo on it.
Might be slightly faster off the line though.
Oh, okay.
Got away, really quick. I got excited, I was going no.
I would absolutely recommend bringing your bike down to Santa Pod. It was £70-ish for the day, and you can have as many runs as time allows on the Run What You Brung days. It was good fun, and if you can pick a day without any weather issues and less participants, you're in for a laugh with plenty of track action. You are provided with timing sheets after each run, and it turns competitive real quick. My best run of the day was 12.43 seconds, and I came over the line at 112 miles per hour. My dad even picked up an Auto Glim prize for the best reaction time of the day at 0.072. which is essentially a jump start. Anyway, here's my fastest run of the day. Enjoy.
I think my traction kicked in there as well.